Hey, let's get it. Skirt. I get to the money, I run up a bag. You know I stay fresh and I stay with a swag. Rocket designer supreme in my bag. I stop to the shop and I give me some swag. Skirt, 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 skirt. I stay fresh, gang.
Oh my God. Are y'all ready to see how we gonna change this man's life today? Let's get it. Alright, so let's jump right into this. Today I am doing a fade with the curly sponge on top. However y'all call that, pretty much it's a ball fade with the sponge on top. So I'm making my guidelines. You already know I'm going to start out by taking my outliners, or if you got a 5 out, 4 out, 3 out, they all work the same thing, and making a guide all the way around. I like to keep my work nice and neat and all together, so I'm making these guides. It helps me do so. So now he's bald on the bottom. I'm going to take my shaver and I'm going to get it real close and bald. A lot of people cannot take the shaver, so please ask. Ask, can they use this? Ask, have they used this before you just put it to their head. Or else you might give them a case of the bumps. So now I'm taking the one guard. I'm going to go with the grain to knock down the sides. Just because, like I said, these guides are everything and I want to keep everything together. So I'm going to knock the hair down so that it shows me exactly what I'm fading so it can be even all the way around. Alright, so I got my walls halfway open. I'm going to go up a ½ inch here so that I can make another guideline. And I'm going to do this all the way around to the other side. So we go on to the next step. Now I have my half guard, and we're gonna go up another ½ inch. Y'all already know the steps to this. Keep a brush in your hand, keep your lines and your fading neat, and your fade is gonna come out clean every time, every time. So we back with that one guard that we started with. I'm now going to use it to clean up this last part of the bulk. Not only am I going to use it to clean up, but as you can see, I'm flicking with it. I'm not going to go up and just go straight up because I don't want to make another guide. So now we got the guard off, and I'm just doing a little cleanup at the end. You know, you got I Stay Fresh J Bandzz in the background all in my way. But anyways. So I'm going to take the top out because I'm going to even it out. As you can see, it's really uneven. Still got a little bit to go, just a little bit, really. So I have my comb in my hand now. I'm gonna do a little clipper over comb just so that I can get that bulk thick line out so that we don't have what I call a lip hanging over through my fade. It doesn't look good when you leave that there. So take your clipper over comb, get that out, guys. So I added some enhancements to his hairline. Stay tuned, I'll let y'all know exactly what enhancements I use. But I used some on his hairline because his hairline was pushed back from the previous haircut he had and it was still growing in. And for purposes like this, I needed it to look perfect. So there you have it. So I make and sell my own hair pomade. My clients call it the secret sauce, but I mean, it is all natural. It promotes hair growth. It keeps your hair from being dry. I'll show you guys soon though. But now we're gonna get into this sponge. Sponge them curls up. Get them popping for him real quick.
Rocket designer supreme in my bag. I stop to the shop and I give me some swag. Skirt, 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 skirt. I say fresh game.